back to the video. So we have this piece, and this video is building a little building technique. And the first trick we have this piece right here, and the attach here is a building technique, and attach this clip is I don't know. And this slope attach here, and this slope like here, also attach here, and lastly attach this slope on tile. And we got a bleed. It's not scared. And the next trick we have this brick right here, and this tiny floor attach here. It's just a little building technique. And it is music player, I guess. I don't know. And next trick we have this this piece and this piece right here. Your normal, your full design like this. Do like this, but I have a cool challenge. So you're not a normal. You on this big sideways. You do like this, and you got perfectly on shape. And the next trick we have I use this one right here, and touch it here. You got a little technique like this. And it's not coming. I move this stone. And the next trick we have this piece again, and it has rod of and if you wanna it touches not glue on top, and it got perfectly shape in this brick and this brick too. And you got interesting with frog or dog, I guess. And last and thank you for watching, and bye.